Hello, today we're going to create a works cited page using Easybib, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a citation for an ebook on Follett Shelf. So before we actually get started, I want to tell you that I am going to be telling you to pause the video and carry out some of the tasks that we're doing as we go along. That'll make it a lot easier if you do it in smaller steps. So what I'd like you to do is, I'd like you to open up Easybib and log into your Easybib with your Google account. So whenever you log into Easybib, remember that you log in with Google and you don't have to register, you're already registered. So just click on sign in with Google and you sign in with your Google username and password and open up Destiny Quest or Destiny on the Launchpad. Destiny looks like this on your Launchpad, and then you're going to actually log into Destiny with your computer username and password, and from there you're going to click on Follett Shelf. If you ever have trouble getting into Follett Shelf, go in through this Destiny program and you should have no problem. So please get your Easybib, Destiny, and Follett Shelf and Launchpad up there and get logged into all these accounts. Pause the video and do that now, and then restart the video. Okay, hopefully you have paused the video and gotten all of these accounts up on your screen. I'm going to take you to Easybib, and I'm going to tell you the next thing you need to do is to go to a new project, to create a new project. So you're going to click on New Project, and whatever class you're in, I'm going to say that I'm in Language Arts, so I'm going to say my project name is LA, and let's say if I'm a 7th grader, I would put 7, and then I want to put my period 1, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the month and the year. So I'm going to put 2/15. So February of 2015. So your subject, your grade level, the period, and then the year. Your subject, and you know, you can adjust that the way you need to, but I would definitely put your subject and the year so that you can recognize these, because Easybib will save them for a long, long time. So now we're going to choose the subject, and I'm going to choose literature. And what am I writing about? I'm writing about the Salem witch trials, and I'm using MLA format. We will always be using MLA format in middle school. Click Create, and here is my project. Anytime I want to look at the citations that I save using Easybib, I would click here on this project, I would click on Bibliography. So now I'm ready to make my first citation. I'd like you to pause the video now and go ahead and start a new project and name it in Easybib. So after you've done that, you will be going to your bibliography. So click on Bibliography, and then you're going to click on Book, because we are going to cite an ebook. Okay. Now on Follett Shelf, you've been using some books, and let's say that it is the Salem witch trials that I have been reading for my project. You'll notice each book has a little eye on the bottom, and if you hover over it, this box pops up, and I can click on Info, and this tells me about the title, author, tells me it's a Follett ebook. Down here it says published, Adena, Minnesota, Abdo Publishing Company, 2008. There is my copyright information. Okay, so the title is the Salem witch trials. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to see if Easybib has a record of that book. So I'm going to type in here the title of the book and say cite it. Okay, so now I have to look through all these titles that I found and look for the correct author. The author is Kikla Magoon. here she is. Okay, so I'm going to do cite this. So this is an ebook online. So I'm going to choose up here ebook. And now I am citing the whole book. If I was only reading a certain chapter or using only a section of this book, I would have to choose one of these. But I'm going to cite the whole book. The author is Kikla Magoon, that's completed. Title is in there for us. This book doesn't have a volume number on it. It's not part of a set, so I don't have to fill out the series information. Publication info, that is all completed for us. And the website title, okay, I'm going to say that is Follett Shelf. And that will probably be the same for all your ebooks. You do not have to enter a publisher or a sponsor or a URL for Follett Shelf. You do not have to display the URL. And the only thing that you have to complete now is down here, date accessed. Just click on this little today. Okay, and that's all you have to do. Remember, you do not, for Follett Shelf, you don't have to fill in a publisher, a URL, or a electronically published date. We already have the copyright date in there for the book. Okay, so now I scroll down and I can see create citation. I create it, and here it says, here, hooray, here's your new citation. I'm going to go ahead and look a little lower, and in my project this will be there until I delete it. It'll be there for my whole middle school and high school career until I decide to get rid of it. Okay, so if I had my works cited page started, I would go ahead, I would highlight this, and I would copy it, and I would open up a Google document or a Word document, and I would paste it on there, and I have my first citation done. So I hope that you learned something from the video, and good luck with your research.